In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping address on Shopee, ensuring you never have any issues with receiving your orders. Whether you've moved to a new city, changed your current location, or simply have multiple addresses and want to manage them efficiently, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopee website. You can do this by entering Shopee's URL directly into your browser or simply searching for it through your preferred search engine. Once you've landed on the Shopee homepage, you'll notice a menu that likely displays some of Shopee's trending deals or seasonal offers. But for today, we're focusing on something entirely different. Now that you're on the Shopee platform, the next step is to access your profile. Look for an icon or link that says Profile at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to your personalized Shopee account page. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to your Shopee activity and preferences. Our focus today is on updating the shipping address. To do this, we need to locate the My Account section. You should see it on your profile page, usually along with other sections like Orders, Settings, and Notifications. Click on My Account to proceed. Once you're in the Account section, you'll see several options like Account Details, Change Password, and so on. What we're interested in is the Addresses tab. This is the section where all your saved addresses are stored, and from here you can make any necessary updates. To add a new address, find the option that says Add New Address. Clicking on this will take you to a form where you can input all your address details. This is where you fill in your new street name, city, postal code, and any other relevant information. Finally, there's an important part of this process that you shouldn't overlook: the country and region section at the very bottom of the address form. Make sure that you select the correct country and region, as this ensures that your orders are shipped to the correct destination. Once you've added all the required information, be sure to save your changes. And that's it. You're now all set with your updated address on Shopee. Remember, keeping your address up to date is essential for a seamless online shopping experience. It prevents any hiccups in delivery and ensures your packages arrive promptly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Shopee.